Hey, good morning, everybody. This is day 2 of my project of me painting my office. Today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint my ceiling. Yeah, I already painted this part of it. See up top, it's a little bit shinier. I painted that part. Now, I'm getting ready to paint, obviously, the whole ceiling with white. All right, got my little boy here. He's gonna help me out with the video. So here we go. Yeah, you gotta look at the camera, my man. You gotta look at the camera, okay? You gotta follow me with the camera. If not, how you gonna know what you're recording? All right. So let me move this cover real quick. This is easy stuff. Everything is easy once you got experience. If you've done something before, it's gonna be easier. If you haven't done anything in your life, then it's gonna be a little bit tough. All right? But it's simple. It's got a science, like everything. Okay? Make sure the drips won't mess up your floor, because then you got extra work. You got to get rid of all them drips, all them drops that's falling on the floor. All right? So this is simple. All right? It was white before, so it's easier for me to paint it now with another coat of white. So that's what I'm doing. All right, just spreading the paint. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Simple stuff. All right. Now, people out there that you didn't know I could do this, right? You can't pay for everything in life, because then you're just gonna be a slave, man. You're just gonna be working and working and working. You ain't never gonna have no money because you gotta pay for everything. You're stupid. You don't know how to do anything. Pardon me on that, man. Don't take it personal. But it's the truth. You gotta learn some skills, man. This is a skill. This pays. Any country you go to, this pays. Why? Because people want to paint. They need to paint. Unless you're just filthy dirty and you want to live unhuman, like an animal. But decent people, you know, they want to have their stuff looking right, looking legit. You know what I'm saying? So let me see. Right around there. Yeah, right around there. So here we go.
Listen.
All right, it's basic stuff. I'm gonna be finished with this ceiling like in 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes and I'm good. All right, then I gotta work, so gotta make that dough. Later on tonight, this evening, I'll start putting the colors on the wall. All right, so this is day 2 of my project, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Talk to you later on, all right?